Once upon a time, in the sparkling turquoise waters of the Caribbean Sea off the coast of Jamaica, there lived a beautiful mermaid named Imel. Under the radiant sun, her scales shimmered in hues of emerald and sapphire, but it was her long, flowing hair that truly set her apart. Strikingly vibrant, her aster locks cascaded down like waterfalls of color, rich greens, sunny yellows, and deep reds, each strand infused with the magic of the ocean. Imel was not just a mermaid, she was a guardian of the sea. Her hair possessed extraordinary powers. When she twirled it or waved it gracefully, it could summon the tides, calm tempests, or even create underwater currents. Her signature move was the rasta wave, a sweeping motion that could change the course of the sea with a flick of her mane. Though Imel loved her tranquil underwater home, she often peered wistfully into the world above, where fishermen with their colorful boats cast their nets wide, hoping to catch the ocean's bounty. Among them was a group of local fishermen, known for their camaraderie and skill but also for their occasional recklessness when facing the ocean's unpredictable moods. One fateful day, as the sun dipped low in the sky and painted the horizon with breathtaking shades of orange and pink, a sudden storm brewed on the horizon. The wind howled and swelled, dark clouds rolling in ominously. Imel sensed the rising danger and peered up through the waves to see the fishermen grappling with the mounting waves, their tiny boats at the mercy of the raging sea. Her heart raced as she witnessed the men struggling, some clinging to the sides of their boats while others had already fallen overboard, flailing desperately against the monstrous waves. Without a second thought, Imel dove up from the depths, determined to help. As she reached the surface, torrential rain beat down, and the waves crashed like thunder. Gathering her courage and focusing her energy, Imel whipped her hair through the water, summoning her magic. With each twirl of her rasta locks, the ocean responded to her call. Gentle, undulating currents began to form, guiding the fishermen closer to safety. But the storm was fierce, and as one fisherman began to sink beneath the waves, Imel felt a surge of urgency. She propelled herself through the tumultuous water, reaching him just in time. With a flick of her hair, she created a buoyant halo that enveloped him, lifting him effortlessly to the surface. As he gasped for breath, his eyes widened with awe as he spotted the beautiful mermaid who had saved him. "Thank you. How can this be?" he stammered, disbelief etched across his face. Imel smiled softly, her hair swirling around her like a crown. "The ocean holds many secrets, my friend, but one of the greatest is compassion. We must help one another, even across the boundaries of our worlds." With a wave of her hand, she directed the remaining fishermen towards her, guiding them with magical currents to safer waters. The storm raged on, but Imel's determination was unwavering. One by one, she rescued them, her hair now shimmering with a brilliant light that illuminated the dark waters, creating a beacon of hope amidst the chaos. Finally, as the last of the fishermen found refuge near the rocky shore, the winds began to soften, and the storm slowly retreated. Imel watched from a distance, a sense of relief washing over her. The fishermen, now safely ashore, turned to the sea, expressing gratitude for their miraculous escape. From that day forward, the fishermen spoke of the mermaid with the magnificent rasta hair who saved their lives. They wove tales of her magic into their songs, sharing the story of Imel, the guardian of the sea, with the world. Every time they set out to sea afterward, they felt her presence, a reminder of the bond between their lives and the depths of the ocean. And in return, they honored Imel by treating the waters with respect, ensuring that the sea would always remain a place of beauty and harmony, a place where magic still swayed with the tides.